Hi, Jeremiah here, except for when I have this clipboard, I'm Professor Teach. Now, the way I like to teach, I think of your training as a table with 3 legs. You have to have 3 legs in order for a table to function. We've got technique, rhythm, and theory. Oftentimes we'll focus on 1 or 2 of these legs and not enough or not at all on the other. Most of the time that's theory. So let's say you got really good at your technique and you were okay at rhythm, but you had no theory. You would have a table that couldn't stand. Now let's say you had put a lot into your technique and then a lot into your rhythm, but your theory was just a little off. Well, you've got a table, albeit a wobbly one. It'll stand there, but can you really put anything on it? Can it really serve much more of a purpose? No. That's a bad table. But if you focus on leveling each one up at the same time, you've got a short little baby table, but a table nonetheless. You could put a nice plant on it, or you could have tea with friends. Now, what does that mean? Well, you've got your technique, what and how you do the things that you do. And then you've got rhythm, when you do them. But what about why you do them? And that's the theory part. If you learn a little bit of basic theory while you're learning these other things, it makes learning your instrument so much more easy in the future, and you'll have a solid foundation upon which you'll be more stable in your craft. Knowledge. This has been Professor Teach. Bye.